Ugh. That girl has so many fidgets, and I only have these two. Hey, did you know those fidgets are magical? Really? Oh my gosh. I wonder what these fidgets do. Maybe they give you a wish. I wish for that girl's entire fidget collection. Oh my gosh, her entire fidget collection. Yes, I'm so happy. Hopefully I can use another one of these wishes. Hey, that's a scammer. I wish for that scammer to get scammed. Well, now that that's done with, I wonder what this fidget does. I don't think it does anything. I'll just use this. But I better not trade it, or else my wishes might go away. Wait, what fidgets does this girl even have? Wow, my dream Nido. She has a lot of fidgets, and hey, that's where my 2 homemade fidgets went. Did she steal them? Guess we have to make another wish. I wish for that girl. I wish for that girl to not get any more trades. Perfect. Actually, I'll keep this one out. Well, now it's time to go to school. I'm back from school. Let's do some fidget trading. I'll trade this $1 fidget. Actually, it is from Dollar Tree, and it's not even considered a fidget. So, I'll trade a different one. How about this fidget? Trading this fidget. Oh my gosh, that fidget is my dream fidget. I would give you my entire collection, but I just got scammed. Can I have it for free? Sure. There you go. Hope you like it. Guys, subscribe for part 2 when I get scammed.